My name is Leo. I am 7 years old. My family and I moved to a new street last week. Everything here is quiet and clean. The people smile. The gardens are small but pretty. But on my first night, I saw something strange. Across the street, there is an old, empty house. Everyone says nobody lives there. They say it has been empty for many years. But I don't believe them, because every night, when the sky is dark and the street is silent, I see a girl standing in the window. She never talks loudly. She never moves fast. She just looks at me with sad eyes. Last night, she whispered her name. She said, "My name is Anna." My mom says Anna is not real. My dad says it's only my imagination. But I know they are wrong, because tonight, Anna did something new. She didn't stay in the window. She pointed at me. Then she pointed at my house. She wants something. She wants me. And I think she wants to tell me a secret. I drew a picture of Anna the next day. I left it on my desk. But in the morning, it was gone. I looked under the bed, behind the door, everywhere. Nothing. That night, I checked the window again. My heart almost stopped. My drawing was on the window of the empty house. Someone had placed it there, perfectly flat against the glass. My name was still in the corner. How did it get there? My parents said it was impossible. But Anna only looked at me like she was asking, "Do you believe me now?" One afternoon, I stood close to the empty house. I knew I should not, but I wanted to help Anna. When I got near the door, the air suddenly felt warmer, like someone was standing on the other side, someone very close. Then I heard a voice, soft, weak, "Help me." I whispered, "Where are you?" The voice answered, "Not here, not now." My skin got cold. What does "not now" mean? The house looked empty, but it didn't feel empty. It felt like two houses on top of each other, one in my time and one in another. That night, I looked through my small toy camera. It was just a simple children's camera, but something strange happened. Through the camera, the empty house changed. I saw bright lights inside, old wooden chairs, a warm lamp, and Anna, standing in a different room. It was like the house had two versions, one in the dark present and one in a brighter past. Anna lifted her hand to the window. I did the same. Our hands almost touched, but they didn't match. She was a second late, like she was stuck in a different moment. Then she said, "Time is breaking again. I don't want you to fall like me." "Fall where?" I asked. But something pulled her back. Her shape shook, then disappeared. The next morning, I found a small paper under my door. The handwriting was messy, like a child wrote it. "Don't come close. It takes children first." I showed it to my mom. She looked confused. Dad said maybe it was a joke, but it didn't feel like a joke. That night, something worse happened. At 3:12 a.m., the two houses changed again. For a moment, they overlapped perfectly. I saw a boy inside the empty house, about my age. His face was pale. His clothes looked old. He pointed at me and whispered, "It takes children first." Then Anna appeared behind him, her face full of fear. "Leo, run!" she shouted. I turned on my light quickly, and when the light filled my room, the house across the street went dark again. said it was just a dream. They made me warm milk and took me to bed. But when the house got quiet, I heard footsteps in the hallway. Soft, slow, too light to be Dad, too soft to be Mom. The footsteps stopped right outside my bedroom door. I held my breath. "Mom," I whispered. No answer. I looked down at the floor. Under the door, I saw a small hand. A hand the size of a child, resting on the floor, right at my door. Then a voice whispered, "Leo, don't let it choose you." The voice was the boy's, the same boy from the house across the street, the boy who disappeared years ago, the boy Anna saw before she fell into the wrong time. I was next. That night, I couldn't sleep. I kept hearing the boy's voice at my door. "Leo, don't let it choose you." I wanted to hide under my blanket, but something inside me said I had to look again. So I slowly walked to the window. The street was dark. The empty house was quiet. But at 3:12 a.m., the lights inside the house turned on by themselves. Just like before, I saw Anna again. She stood in the window, shaking her head. "Leo, go back," she whispered. "Don't come close, not tonight." Then I saw something behind her, a shadow, tall, thin, moving like fog. It was not a person, not a child, not from my time. It touched Anna's shoulder, and her face changed. She looked scared, more scared than before. Anna reached out her hand toward me, but then the boy appeared too, standing right beside her. He pointed at me and said, "It's choosing again." My heart hurt. "It?" I whispered. The boy nodded. "The space between our times. It wants another child." Then everything happened very fast. The lights in both houses flickered. My room became warm, then cold, then warm again. The wall next to my window started to shake, like something was trying to push through it. Anna shouted, "Leo, don't open your door." But the problem was, I didn't open it. The door opened by itself. Very slowly, very quiet. The hallway behind it was dark, completely dark. And from that darkness, I heard a small voice. "Leo, come here." It was my own voice, my voice from another time. I stepped back. My chest felt tight. My legs couldn't move. Anna screamed, "Run!" The shadow behind her grabbed her arm and pulled her into the dark part of the house. The boy tried to run too, but the shadow took him next. Both of them vanished. In one single blink, the house went black again. And then my door closed by itself, softly, slowly, like something just entered my room. I heard breathing behind me, not loud, not close, but inside the room, and a whisper said, "Part of you is already mine."